Almost completely cut off for centuries, Bhutan has tried to let in some aspects of the outside world while fiercely guarding its ancient traditions. Bhutan, a country of Buddhism, is located in the Himalayas between the Tibet Autonomous of China and India. Bhutan is the unique country both naturally and environmentally. My visit to Bhutan was nothing short of an adventure. Come, let's explore this beauty together. I belong from the only planned city in the North Bengal region with remnants of royal heritage. That is Kuch Bihar. Kuch Bihar is located on the south of Bhutan. It is only 2 hours away from the bustling and the border town of Bhutan known as Phuentsholing. To visit Bhutan from Kuch Bihar, one has to cross through the amazing Doors. Derived from the word doors, it is a region that is a gateway to the hill stations of Sikkim, Bhutan, and northeastern states of India. The best time to visit Bhutan from Kuch Bihar would be one fine morning and along with a group of lovely friends. Kuch Bihar, being the headquarters of the North Bengal State Transport Corporation, is well connected by long distance bus routes to Doors as well as Phuentsholing and Bhutan. The beauty of Doors not only lies in its lush tea gardens but also in the dense forest that covers most of its region. The beautiful Doors leads us to the town of Jaigao. Jaigao is in a small valley located near the low-lying hills of the Himalayan mountains. Jaigao receives an abundant amount of rainfall throughout the year, which creates this greenery and this beautiful tea gardens. The Tosha River flows at the lower end of the town. A visit to the greenery of the Doors and resting a few days and nights in the midst of forests, rivers, and wildlife will definitely instill new life and inspiration in a tourist forever. And just like that, only within 16 minutes from Jaigao, we have finally reached Bhutan border of the town of Phuentsholing. The Bhutan-India border is the open international border separating the Kingdom of Bhutan from the Republic of India. This particular border is 699 kilometers long and it joins the Indian states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, and Sikkim. The town that is this side of the world is Jaigao and the town that is in the other side of the world is Phuentsholing. This is the reception area where we have to showcase our valid Indian identity proofs such as a voter ID card and passport so that we can enter Bhutan. For visitors from India, visa is not required. Bhutan officially opened their borders to all travelers on 23rd September 2022. Like most countries, Bhutan too has set aside all COVID-19 vaccination requirements for adults and children to enter Bhutan. There is also no quarantine period. Wearing a mask is not mandatory, but you can wear it at your discretion. Bhutan will now be levying a daily sustainable development fee on visitors to support Bhutan's development. It is mandatory for Indians to pay 1,200 rupees per person per night. Children aged 6 to 12 years will be given a 50% concessionary discount on their STF. Those aged 5 or younger are exempt or excluded. Day visitors to the Bhutanese towns bordering India are also exempt from paying the STF until they reach a point designated by the Bhutanese government. Yes, we traveled Bhutan for a day for absolutely free of cost. We are currently entering the Phuentsholing town of Bhutan. Phuentsholing is the point of entry for travelers arriving by bus from the North Bengal, and the town functions as a place where Bhutanese and Indians do business. With the population approaching 30,000, it is the second largest city in Bhutan after Thimphu. Right now, in front of you, you can see the famous Bhutan Gate and what is beyond it. On your trip to Phuentsholing, you must visit Zangto Pelri Lakhang, Karbandi Monastery, Bhutan Gate, and Kharbandi Goemba. The market of Phuentsholing is quite good and sells all kinds of products. One can easily get a glimpse of aesthetic Bhutan from Phuentsholing itself. It is one of the cleanest cities I have visited. Phuentsholing is uniquely more urban than other Bhutanese towns, as it is the Bhutan financial, industrial and trading capital. Now let's get to the best part of the trip, and that is the food. Phuentsholing has a great food scene as well. You must try the delicious meat dumplings, chicken starters and butterfly prawns at the Zen restaurant. I loved the ambience, the interiors and the service at this place, but keeping all of that aside, this place just should be rated 5 for the amazing view of Phuentsholing. Zen restaurant is located in Gato in Lam, and we had our lunch at this place. And that's just the beginning of the trip. One can just order some drinks and sit here to get a marvelous view of the Zangto Pelri Lakhang. The food at Zen is flavorful and so filling. I may call it a Chinese Bhutanese fusion food restaurant. Zen is open all days of the week from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. I still remember Sundays from my childhood when my parents used to plan for picnics in Phuentsholing. I always wondered if Bhutan is a different country, then why is there no border to it? And I wished it remained like that forever. We are going to cover a lot more of Bhutan, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.